Having trouble streaming Netflix through Chromecast on your Google TV? This usually happens because of network instability, outdated apps, or Chromecast glitches. In this video, I'll show you the best tips to fix it quickly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. Now use the remote to navigate to the settings icon. Open it. Go to apps. Now look for Netflix and find it from here. Once inside, look for the clear cache option. Select it and then confirm your choice. Check if that fixes the problem. If not, you can select clear data and confirm your choice. But remember, this will completely reset your Netflix, so you'll be logged out. You will need to log back in with your password again. Solution 2. Update Netflix. Go to your home menu, then navigate to the apps section. Select Google Play Store from here. Now go to the search bar, search for Netflix using the on-screen keyboard. Select Netflix from the search results. If you have any available updates for your Netflix, you will see an option. Make sure to update Netflix to the latest version. You can also update your TV software. For that, go back to your TV home menu with the home button of your remote. Navigate to the settings icon. Click on it. Scroll down to device preferences and then go to About. From here, click on System Update. If you have any updates available, you can check from here and update your TV. Updating your TV makes sure you get to access all the latest app versions including Netflix and Chromecast. Solution 3. Restart your TV and internet. Turn off your TV using your remote, then completely unplug it. Meanwhile, unplug your router as well. Then plug your router back in, and plug your TV as well. This simple restart can sometimes fix many unwanted glitches. And that's it. With these tips, Netflix should start casting properly on your Google TV again. If this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV and Chromecast fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.